You join us today putting the auxiliaries back on the Bristol 603 engine. As you probably remember from previous video, this was only solely to detail the engine bay, which has been bare metalled, and detail the engine so that the customer has a sense of pride when he lifts the bonnet at his event. I am actually tied up today on another job that's in a bit of a hurry, so John will be your host installing all the parts today.
So now I'm going to fit the water pump pulley. Next we will actually be installing the power steering pump. These all have to be done in order. Fenair actually designed their own bracket to fit this engine for the new air conditioning pump. This part is actually another part of the custom bracketry for being able to fit the new power steering pump as opposed to the oil-fed power steering pumps. Sorry, air conditioning pumps. The reason why a lot of these brackets had to be made, such as ones to hold the alternator, is because the new pump, the air conditioning, is actually bigger than the original. They're also in turn more effective. Here is the new air conditioning pump supplied and fitted by Fenair.